registration too.
What was the registration?
452. Anyway.
What does the registration mean?
The right, like it's basically like.
Look, it's about to touch down.
That's sick focus.
I know, isn't it? Yo,
It hasn't even touched down yet.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the Washington jet. That's it coming in from.
What is that? Is that an airline? That was the U.S. Airways.
See how it comes in like no slurs.
So what is that? About 6 planes now?
Yeah.
Everyone's landing over there.
They land on
How about that, Garrett?
Pretty sick.
Oh, I can hear that.
That's winglets, Evan.
Was I in the way?
No, I don't care. I'm putting music in this anyway.
Tampa.
Welcome to Pittsburgh.
Guys, Father Wilwell.
What?
Did you get that one?
No. That's alright. Where was that coming in from? Not at landing. Oh, but it's touching down. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's the Washington jet. That's it coming in from.
What is that? Is that an airline? That was the U.S. Airways.
See how it comes in like no slurs.
So what is that? About 6 planes now?
But winglets too. That's sexy. Look at the winglets, Evan, look. No, look on the camera. Let's watch it land. It's touching down, it's touching down.
Well, if you had a stand for that.
Lights are on, that means it's getting dark.
Who's playing the marimba in your car?
That's my dad, but that's sexy. Look at that, Evan. Watch it land, it's sick. It's going down.
It's shaky. You could put it on that pole and just hold it.
True. Oh, touchdown.
Or you can get a stand for it.
Touchdown.
Straighten her out.
That's winglets.
That one's early.
Look at that. Recording.
Oh, there's another I can see.
What is that?
On landing on our side here.
What is that landing?
A regional jet, probably. There's another plane, I think. Where the hell is it?
The Continental.
United, no.
United, but technically that's the Continental logo.
That used to be.
Yeah. Look how clear it is, Evan, on my screen. Yeah.
They have an actual area you can spot. They don't actually allow you. They made it on purpose for you to spot.
I know, that's more international, but like, what is that? I'm looking at the airline.
7.
I know that, but I'm looking at the airline. Delta?
Yeah. Oh, what? Wait.
The fuck
Oh,
is that?
That's the Atlanta Falcons plane, actually.
Oh my god, dude, that's sick!
Record it. Actually,
Badass.
I actually saw that plane earlier this year in DC. I saw the exact same plane in Washington DC.
Evan, take a picture.
I also saw a shirtless plane.
Evan, take a picture of it for me. Wait, hold on.
People calling me.
No, I can't.
They can't. Oh wait.
Winglets.
I thought
I'm with the sexy senorita and she